If you love typography just like me, you have to watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you the most favorite premium typefaces which I really love. One I have forgotten, I'm not sure what was it, but it was a really lovely grotesque kind of typeface which I'm missing right now. But right now I am going to share with you like 10 or 15 different typefaces, some of the perfect combinations too in them. So let's find out and dig into this video, and I'm going to show you how using a premium or buying a premium typeface can enhance your design to the next level. Let's find out. Okay, now the first one I have is from my fonts. I have actually saved it in my favorites. So this is Franca. You can see was designed by Rain Bader, 20 styles, and this is the family. So what I do over here is I mostly test it like this. So you can see I'm testing it on a smaller size. Very lovely clean design. Let me show you a little bit bigger type. You can see very slim, very clean kind of professional look. This is great for software firms, for businesses that are very sleek and very professional, or maybe something like that. So something that is human, that is tech related, humans related. This is a really lovely typeface. Okay, it has some human touch too. Franca. So next is uh, Iana. I think I have spelled it right. Iana. This is the usage. Some of the images over here, you can see the different, styles of it. And also I love to see the G's and A's of a typeface whenever I want to select something. So you can see A is really nice, curvy style. G has one story, single story. Good. I think it's a good typeface for even for smaller devices or smaller sizes too. Okay, so the next one is this one, Aribo Grotesque. I really love grotesque typefaces, but there must be something, some styling or something in it that makes it a bit more, you can say, human. This is really lovely typeface, grotesque typeface. My website prodesign.tech, it is also using a grotesque typeface, a premium one. And this is also very lovely typeface, just like Franca. It has a very balanced, very light sans serif that has a very, not very rigid, not very flexible. It is kind of professional, sleek kind of feel to it. Next is fieldwork. It is a bit wide, a bit thick, a bit shorter typeface. You can see over here. This is just like body types. If I am a person, I have a heavy build and I have a, more width to my shoulders. You compare it with a person who is tall and less wide. Similarly, we have something in the typefaces. Fieldwork is a bit, you can see over here, a bit thick. It can be a good usage in, maybe some healthy health brand or something with workout or something like that. Okay. Next is Anko. So Anko is a really lovely serif typeface. I really think it is very well designed, kind of like a classic type serif typeface, but the italics are really lovely. You can see the styling in the italics, and also you can see this descenders of your are really lovely. The arm of the R, they are really lovely. Okay, so next is Approach. Very well designed, real politic Max Planck. Very lovely typeface that can work wonders in advertisements, billboards, and very lovely, very balanced. And the eye has a squared. You can see I mostly don't use eye with a squared dot on it. So you can see if you look over here, eye has a dot, which it has a square, which I mostly don't like. I mostly use typefaces that has a rounded eye, but it is a very balanced typeface. Next is Chronica Pro. It is also a bit kind of like geometric typeface, but a very lovely thick kind of bold typeface which has more weight to it. So it can be used in maybe with health brands or exercise or something like that, some firm that has industrial usage, industry, some type of industry maybe. Now, next is banana grotesque. So this is, I recently found, I think yesterday I was looking at a website and they had used a very lovely typeface and I was wondering what they are using. And this one again came to be a grotesque, sans serif grotesque typeface. And I really love it. You can see the aperture over here, the E is not too close, good balanced typeface. It's a variable typeface. You can also go to the tester and test the weight and size of it. You can see over here. So you can test the size and the weight of banana grotesque. Okay, so next is I recently found this Klim Type Foundry and I think she had great and lovely typefaces, very, very well designed typefaces I have seen. American Grotesque is a lovely typeface. Calibre is very famous, you already know that. The fonts I'm going to show you, this one, Financier is Financier is really lovely. Then if I let me show you some from her. So you can use TypeWolf to see some of the suggestions, like if you're trying to find good designs with lovely typefaces, website design, you can go over here, like you can see Relative and Suzy Intel. So these are the ones I found in this design. I really love how they are working with each other. Now if I want to find Luzane, I'm going to click on this Get Luzane typeface and it is going to open up Luzane. Another type foundry which I really love is this one, Pengram Foundry. They have so great typefaces. I really wish I can buy some of the typefaces from this foundry. This is one of the best foundries in my opinion. Okay, let's find out more. Monument Grotesque. This is a bit kind of open or more friendly, inviting kind of grotesque. It has, you can see, more letter spacing and they have few more. This is strange. Arizona is good, and I think this one is a good grotesque typeface. And let's see how much does it cost. Here we have the buy button. Oops. So one typeface style is $86. This is really costly. So yes, these are the few more I really love. Timepost headline. They have been used in many websites. Another one, this is Bradford from Laneto.com. This is a very bold kind of very lovely classic sans serif, very lovely typeface. Then we have Untitled Sans. So Untitled Sans and Untitled Serif, they have been used the most and they have a very perfect combination. If you look on typewolf.com, you will find many brilliant designs that have been using Untitled Sans and Untitled Serif. They are again from Claim Type Foundry. I really love and wish to buy some of their typefaces. Also, this one is very good. One more from my fonts collection, Relative. This is a kind of like blocky kind of sans serif. It has a kind of blocky and geometric kind of vibe to it. So I'm going to end my video. I think I forgot there was a very famous type foundry and I really loved one of its typeface, and I'm forgetting the name and also the typeface, and I really wish I can remember. So that is all. This is my video about typefaces and how a premium typeface can improve the website look and design. Tell me which premium typeface you use in your designs or graphic elements or editorial design or books design or UI design or web design or SaaS app design, whatever you design. Make sure you share with me in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and we'll meet you in next video.